Welcome to Medical Professor. Today we'll learn the difference between past perfect and past continuous in an easy way with clear examples and practice. Many learners confuse these two tenses, but after this lesson, you'll use them confidently. Let's start with past continuous tense. We use this tense when we want to talk about an action that was happening at a specific moment in the past. Think of it like this. Imagine pressing the pause button on the past. Whatever people were doing at that exact time, that's past continuous. For example, I was watching TV at 8 p.m. last night. Here, 8 p.m. is the exact time, and the action, watching TV, was happening at that moment. They were playing football when it started to rain. The action of playing football was already happening, and then something else, rain, interrupted it. She was cooking while he was studying. Here, two actions were happening at the same time in the past. A quick tip: always remember past continuous, action in progress in the past. It's like a snapshot of what was happening. Now let's look at past perfect tense. We use past perfect when we want to talk about something that was already completed before another past action or moment. It's like looking back into the past and then going one step further back. For example, I had finished my homework before dinner. First action is finished homework. Second action, dinner. So, finishing homework happened earlier. She had already left when I arrived. First action, she left. Second action, I arrived. Her leaving happened before my arrival. They had studied English before moving abroad. First action is studied English. Second action, moving abroad. Studying happened first. Quick tip: think of the past perfect as the past of the past. It's the way we show which action happened earlier when we are talking about two events in the past. Now let's compare past continuous and past perfect so you can see the difference clearly. Past continuous describes an action that was in progress at a certain time in the past, and past perfect describes an action that was already completed before another past action. Let's check the examples. While I was reading, my friend had already gone to the bed. Here, my reading is action in progress. My friend going to bed already finished earlier. She was still working when we had finished dinner. Her working in progress, our dinner completed earlier. They had started the meeting before I was ready. Meeting finished earlier. Me being ready happened after. Think of it like this: past continuous, background action happening, and past perfect, action already done before another past moment. This way, you can connect both tenses in one story. Many learners confuse past continuous and past perfect. Let's correct some common mistakes. I had watching TV when she came. This is wrong because had watching doesn't exist. The correct sentence is I was watching TV when she came. Why? Because the action watching TV was in progress when she arrived. So we use past continuous. She was leave before I arrived. This is also incorrect. Was leave is not the right form. The correct sentence is she had left before I arrived. Why? Because her leaving was completed earlier, before I arrived. That's why we use past perfect. Here's a tip for you. If the action is still happening in the background, use past continuous. And if the action was already done earlier, use past perfect. Now it's time to practice. I'll give you sentences with blanks. Try to fill them in before I show you the correct answer. First one. When I arrived, they dash dinner. The correct answer is when I arrived, they had already eaten dinner. Because their dinner was completed before I arrived, that's past perfect. Second, she dashed TV when the phone rang. The correct answer is she was watching TV when the phone rang. Here, the action was in progress, so we use past continuous. Third, he dashed his work before the meeting started. The correct answer is he had finished his work before the meeting started. Again, the work was done earlier, before the meeting. So, past perfect is correct. Alright, let's quickly review what we learned today. The past continuous is for actions that were in progress at a certain time in the past. For example, I was reading at 9 o'clock. The past perfect is for actions that were completed before another past action. For example, I had finished dinner before the movie started. So, the key difference is past continuous, what was happening at that time. Past perfect, what had already happened before something else. If you remember this difference, your English will sound much clearer and more natural. Thank you for watching. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own examples of past continuous and past perfect in the comments. I'd love to read them. See you in the next video.